Okay, one of the issues we have had with Kendra is that she's not a very good burper. And it takes a long time to get her to burp. However, we believe we've had a breakthrough. We got a new kind of bottle. And it's supposed to keep gas bubbles from forming in her stomach. It's foam, so they form like regular bubbles. Let's see if we can get a good burp out of her. Oh, she's a little fuzzy. I think maybe she wasn't ready.
Maybe surprised. Just give her a minute. She's gonna make us so proud. Here we go. Maybe we'll edit this part out.
I think she's too thirsty. We should stuff her up a little bit more. Let's